see on Naren Savarkar's comments, not against the bishop as such, but they stand at Article 30, the minority should ask for withdrawal.
So I'm not going into the merit of his statement, but on the face of it, we know the sentiments of Catholic Committee vis-a-vis the CA, NRC, apprehension are there. We have already conveyed to the Chief Minister, because I am the member of the church. I just can't ignore. Today I may be the minister, but tomorrow I will be the member of my committee till my death. I may not leave my religion. But when a religion issue religious related issue then we have to be very cautious. I'm not commenting on Naren Savarkar, but I am very much concerned the apprehension and the anxiety and the fear of effect of it to the Chief Minister. Time and again we will convey to the Chief Minister. We will not ignore to convey the sentiments of the church or a Catholic leader, because we belong to that.